Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling airplane mode, then switch Wi-Fi back on so radios behave predictably. Once you see the network labeled Emirates Wi-Fi, tap to join. This starts the captive portal process. Make sure you have a card or Skyward's account details at hand because you may need to choose a pass or enter a voucher code. This step initiates authentication and allocates bandwidth. Getting it right now prevents delays later in the flight. Once the portal loads, follow prompts. Accept terms and choose the pass that fits your needs, session, hourly, or full flight. If you pick a paid option, enter payment info only after verifying the secure icon. This prevents fraud. Alternatively, log in with Skyward's or a voucher code to bypass payment. Make sure to close background apps that hog data so your chosen pass delivers the expected performance. This preserves bandwidth for the tasks you care about. You now use the connection for browsing, messaging, or streaming within the limits of your pass. Test a lightweight page first to confirm speed. If things stall, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to renew DHCP and reinitiate the portal. This often fixes captive portal stalls. When the portal won't appear, manually load a non-HTTPS site or enter 1 to provoke the login page. If problems persist, ask a crew member for voucher assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.